So somebody got sawmill wood. If y'all look, this is sawmill wood.
Mm-hmm.
But this has collapsed. This is rotted. Well, hello there, girls and boys. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Oh, it's a broadhead skink. Female, Massey's latricep, or either a young male. The head's kind of big for a female. There you go, sweetie.
Is there anything that we got we could get up under this and kind of jack it up?
I was thinking the same thing. This one needs to just come off.
It does have a screw into this top of this post.
Okay, let me get it.
We're going to take out these T-posts, which we've done a bunch for making our fence. And the way that you do this is you kind of get it on there, and actually I'm messing this up a little bit right now, but then we're going to try to get this down as low as it'll go.
Oh, there you go. See if it slides back down when you do it.
Wow.
Where it gets down.
Ooh. Now we got these come out are small enough to come in here being right now. I mean you want to do that being now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are finished for the day. Oh!
We didn't quite make it today. There are kind of a lot of holes in there, don't you think?
Yeah, that's by design. I call it the Starry Night.
Okay. I think we'll have to do something about that.